Hey guys, this is May. So today I have a hair appointment and I'm going to get my hair cut and colored. So right now my hair got pretty brassy even though I've used like toners, ones that I've gotten myself kind of in between my salon visits. I've done it twice. And this is what it looks like so far, so not too bad. I'm excited for my hairstylist to add some gloss to tone it, and we're actually gonna add some baby lights. I used to have some, but now they're kind of about here, so they've grown out quite a bit since the last time I got them was like a year ago. But my last visit to the salon was back, I believe, end of June. And right now it's early November, so come with me and I'll show you guys the salon that I go to, my hairstylist, and the whole entire process. I'll see you guys then. Alright, so right now I'm at this Seaport district and I'm heading to Primp NYC. That is where I get my hair done. So let's take a look. So I would still keep my balayage, right?
Yeah, I mean, you would keep the color you have. Wouldn't change it. Because I think this is a good tone. And I feel like the picture is about the same.
Yeah, pretty similar.
Yeah. I think they might have lighter hair than you.
Right.
You don't want light your base. Yeah, so I think I'll keep it, because I think I usually, it lifts to this and I tone it down.
Right.
So now you want to keep it kind of like caramel.
Yeah, maybe a touch darker only because they don't see you.
So often.
Yeah, which is why I always tend to go darker.
Yeah, because you have like more phases, right?
Exactly. So I really do like this, maybe just hair
Darker. Okay.
So they won't see you until the new year.
Yeah.
That'll be the next time.
So I'll keep it, I'll frame your face. Keep the part line out so it's dark. And like go kind of peek into the hair.
Yeah, I like that idea. I never heard of someone recommending that.
Yeah, I love it too.
Depending on, like tomorrow I have like 2 girls coming.
And then I'm doing a full.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
Are you cutting your hair today?
Do you like?
Maybe just a little.
Learning that.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so I am back. It is the following day and I got my hair colored and cut. I ended up getting baby lights, so a full head of baby lights, but this time it was a little bit different. I've gotten baby lights over a year ago and they've outgrown and they're kind of about to my ears. But this time I wanted to go a touch lighter, so this is kind of closer to what my hair looks like around the 4 to 5 month mark. So I go to the salon every 4 to 5 months, kind of depends if I have a trip coming up, maybe I'll do it a little bit sooner, or back when I was going to school, I'd like to do it like right before I started class. But this is what it looks like. I got an inch cut off just because my ends were just so dry. The last time I saw my hairstylist Shireen, it was back like end of June. So if you live in New York City and you are looking for a hairstylist, make sure to check down below for her information. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I just got a blowout, which is my favorite kind of way like my hair styled from the salon. Just very voluminous and bouncy and just very silky and straight for the most part. Yeah, so I have these pieces that frame my face that are lighter, and what's different from the last time I got my baby lights is that, if you can tell, she did not add any highlights right here at the top. She actually started a little bit underneath, if you guys can see, like right here, and I like that. I like that because I do like my natural roots, you know, dark brown, and I like that to show, and it doesn't make it seem so obvious when my hair does grow out, because my hair grows out pretty quickly and I don't see her that often. So that was a really nice touch that she recommended, and she has so many great recommendations. And then for my haircut, I just get long layers, and then for the front pieces, the pieces that frame my face, I like to go about the chin length, maybe a touch longer, only because if I curl my hair, I want it to be long enough that it doesn't look awkward. It's like not too short. So if I put my hair up and I want some pieces to hang, I just like that it frames my face and adds this more like romantic, loose feel. But yeah. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you guys think of my new hair, the cut and the color. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And to like it, and make sure to turn on your notification. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!